Creative apartment design is possible even with a small budget, with simple furnishing and decorating ideas which generally do not cost too much. An apartment can be individually and fancy designed in no time in a way that reflects the personality and lifestyle of people who reside there. No matter the size and shape, any apartment can be made comfortable and functional. Hi, I'm Lulu and I'm your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and a newly uploaded video. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Grig Stamate Interior Design Solution. We are here to help you create a home interior that fits your personality and lifestyle. And do you know what is the best? All the designer ideas presented in this newly uploaded video are simple, easy to do and affordable. They are fit for any project, small or big. Surely you will find the right idea for your own home interior among these creative ideas. Just imagine the feeling of a living space that reflects your personality and completely fits your lifestyle. Perfect chosen color scheme, mood lighting, clever furniture placement, tastefully chosen decorative accessories are the main factors that ensure a good design, pleasant living experience, and of course a happy life. We are happy to share these creative ideas with you and help you create your own dream space. Anyone who moves into a new apartment or wants to remodel the home interior is faced with several furnishing and decorating problems and often wants help, especially when you cannot afford a large budget. The project of developing a vision from the empty shell of a living space and also implementing it seems too difficult. How to do it? How to create a homely atmosphere? With simple changes in your home, your apartment, you can create a completely new feel-good atmosphere. You'll see that in our video. Please watch the whole video and check out the simple but amazing ideas. You won't regret it. Let's start our presentation with this simple and beautiful apartment decor in light gray hues. Lightweight furniture and several decorative elements create a beautiful and comfortable interior. Here you can see a quite similar design to the previous one. Again, an aesthetically pleasant home interior. Brand new apartment with compact open space, beautifully furnished and decorated on a budget. Superb design idea, orange accent colors break the monotony of a boring neutral color palette. Quite large apartment, simply but beautifully furnished and decorated. Functionality and comfort are important elements to take into consideration, especially when furnishing and decorating a home interior within a limited budget. A furnishing and decorating planner would be a good support here because he often concentrates on the classic and practical standard solutions in the context of a contemporary apartment design. With a good interior decorator, a basic is created that can be revised later. This is how you gradually move from the practical way of thinking to your own furnishing ideas. But unfortunately, you don't have the amount of money necessary to hire a good decorator. What can you do? We are here to help you. Hopefully, our selection of designer ideas from our videos can inspire you, and you can gradually move from them to your own furnishing and decorating ideas. Good luck and have fun with your makeover project. Thank you. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video. Please write your opinion in the comment section, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regard and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.